Camping, an age-old tradition, offers a unique escape, a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the wonders of the natural world. Although the essence of camping lies in simplicity and self-sufficiency, there's no shame in making things more comfortable and enjoyable. This is the Tomshoo camping stove, a remarkable outdoor cooking solution designed to elevate your camping, hiking, and picnic experiences. Constructed from robust stainless steel, it boasts exceptional durability, ensuring it stands up to the rigors of outdoor adventures, even under heavy loads or intense heat. The windproof serrated cross stand not only enhances stability, but also maximizes heat transfer to your cookware, allowing you to prepare meals with ease regardless of the conditions. Another standout feature of this camping stove is its innovative design that promotes efficient burning with minimal smoke. The wide opening facilitates the easy addition of wood, while the double wall structure enables a clean gasification and secondary combustion process. There are strategically placed air vents near the bottom to improve air circulation, ensuring that the fuel burns more completely and generates less smoke. This thoughtful design minimizes environmental impact and creates a more pleasant cooking environment. This stove offers the advantage of utilizing abundant natural resources as fuel. By using twigs, leaves, branches, and wood, you can cook meals during your hikes without the need for expensive gas canisters. This not only saves you money, but also reduces your carbon footprint and eliminates chemical emissions. For added convenience, the stove includes a tray to hold solid alcohol fuel, expanding your options for fuel sources. Aside from being incredibly lightweight, it is easily collapsible into a compact size and comes with a mesh carrying sack for effortless storage. Additionally, its versatility is enhanced by the included grill attachment. With this feature, you can transform your campsite into a barbecue haven wherever you choose to set up. Overall, the Tomshoo camping stove embodies durability, efficiency, and adaptability, making it an indispensable companion for any outdoor enthusiast.